Alright, we're recovering from Blizzard Nemo right now, and I'm going to step out my front step and let's take a look at what's going on. Well, luckily I was able to shovel out the front, so I can actually get out that way. My only other route out would have been to go through the window, unfortunately in the kitchen, which had snow piled up to it, so that was not an option. Been able to shovel out the front step here and shovel up my walkway. So far I've gotten out to here. It's about 10 before 1 right now. It actually stopped snowing on Saturday. It stopped snowing about 2 hours ago. I was able to get about halfway down the driveway. Right now what you're looking at is that mound is my car right now, so I have to shovel out the rest of this driveway so that I can maybe by Monday get my car out of the driveway, hopefully. But that's my bush right there. If you look down here, you can actually see the mounds of snow that they piled up across the street there. Fortunately, it's a little tough for me to see here because the snow is reflecting off of my viewer here, but you can kind of see the in the street there. People digging out. So far we've got easily over two feet here. Probably over 3 actually. Looks like there's about 3 right there. That's my picnic table. Was my picnic table. Hopefully it's still under there. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now in Connecticut. Good times. Some of us are still getting over Hurricane Sandy, and now we got to deal with this. But yeah, like I said, unfortunately, because of a back injury, it's going to take me a few days to clear out of this, because I'm going to have to take it really, really slow. But that's what we've got here right now.